Welcome to OWF12's Web TV. We're here with Peter Magnusson, the engineering director of Google California.
Google App Engine.
Google App Engine.
In California, yes.
Hello, Peter.
Hi.
How are you?
I'm great. It's nice to be here in Paris.
Great to have you here. So, we wanted to talk a little bit about the App Engine. So, what exactly is this offering?
So App Engine is what's today called platform as a service. It's managed code. So the ambition with App Engine is to make it really, really simple for users to develop applications that run in the cloud, web applications, enterprise edge applications, building services, and the key is to make it simple for developers to write the code and for Google to handle all of the management of it, providing all the services and running on the Google data centers, running on the Google infrastructure.
And where is today the App Engine? And what's in the roadmap actually after?
Well, so we launched it in 2008, and we've been investing in it ever since. And last year we did a bit of a relaunch, adding support structures, making it a fully supported Google product. And it's had a lot of success in areas such as web applications, games, mobile applications, social. And what's known as enterprise edge applications, which are enterprise applications that are facing outwards towards lots of consumers and customers. And the things they have in common is customers who want to develop applications that are very scalable, that can reach a global community. And in particular, with the new world of applications that are not necessarily built to run on desktops, but are written to run on pads and on smartphones, where they want a backing storage, a backing facility for doing the back-end servicing. And with these companies don't really want to be running their own server farms, and they're starting from scratch, so they enjoy running it on that. The other big category is enterprise customers that are very attracted by the low cost of ownership and the general qualities that Google brings to it. Since we're running these applications inside our data centers, inside our infrastructure, we bring to the table all the security aspects, the privacy controls, the reliability, the durability, multiple data center failovers, as well as more sort of modern values like greenness. Google is fairly unique in having carbon neutral data centers. So if you write your applications on App Engine, then it's automatically carbon neutral. And this year at Google I/O, we were very excited to launch a App Engine Europe. So we now have a European version of App Engine that is in the European jurisdiction, data in Europe. Europe has been extremely successful for App Engine. We have a lot of customers in App Engine in Europe, and they've been putting up with horrible latencies across the Atlantic, so now we have a European service as well.
So, in terms of US versus Europe, or in terms of adoption of App Engine, how does it stack up?
Well, it's hard to say because you have to look at out of the potential. But if you take Europe as an aggregate, then it's the second largest market after the U.S. Of course. But it's surprisingly large, considering that until very recently, there was only a U.S. version of it. So we expect that now with the full launch of a multi-data center App Engine Europe, we expect it to be taking off a lot.
And since this forum is all about open and open source, so where does open source actually fit?
Well,
in the App Engine?
Google in various flavors breathes open source in lots of different projects. For App Engine, for example, one of the big new things we added to App Engine was NDB, which is a new Python language package for communicating with NoSQL that has been getting really good reviews, which was built by Guido, who invented Python and who works on the App Engine team. We sometimes joke we support languages where we can hire the inventors of the languages. And that's been getting very good reviews, and it's open source. In fact, we had a customer that was a little unhappy with App Engine. We're going to try to get them back. They were a little unhappy, but they found it much easier to move to another provider because they could reuse NDB because it's open source.
Well, thank you very much, Peter, for all this, and the best of luck with App Engine.
Thank you very much.
Thank Thank you.